If you are familiar with the new 4runner key fobs, they look like something out of a 2000 catalog, but I did get these upgrades. It's called I don't know if these are called the minimalist key fobs, but got one in black, one in white, just to go with the theme, because I'm a little OCD like that. But all it is taking out the circuit boards in these, plopping them in these. They already come with the buttons already, so that's what I will be doing right now. So it looks like a surgery happening here, but the company I bought this from is from AJT Design, and again, this is the older 5th generation 4runner key fob, and this is the newer one. So the instruction video here on their website has instructions for this one here, which talks about removing a transponder, and I'm like, oh geez, what's going on? Fortunately, that's not the case with these. So what you'll need to do first is open up this case here, which is simply tapping that lever up and sliding out the actual key, just like this. And then you're actually going to use this key to just put it, let's see, I'm trying to get some light in there. There we go, in that little groove, and you're just going to pry up gently, and that will actually cause the case to open. And once the case is open, you're going to remove this part here, with the battery in the back, and just place it at the base of the bottom part of this particular key fob. I'm sure other key fob replacements are pretty similar. I am going to use this. I may not need this, but for now, I'm just going to use that just in case. And then this particular brand came with their own buttons to install. So what I'm just going to do is flip this over and match the factory buttons there. So the lock will just go on top. And then this is a panic button, so that'll replace this red one there. Like I said, they provide the buttons to put on. So unlock. And then this is just a blank. So they actually provide a blank insert there. Let's try it this way. There we go. And technically the buttons are in place. And then I will just line them up by, making sure they're good. Putting this over, and they provide some screws to secure it there. And there it is. And these are actually made with the same external. I believe that these keys could actually fit underneath. I'm about to see right now. So before you screw the top on, you can actually remove this lever here with the spring and install it right in that area there, so when you can actually insert the key and it will operate just like the factory key fob. And there it is. Screws installed, the little lever there. Now the factory key can just kind of be slid in. It's hard to do it one hand. Let me just try to do it. Okay, there is the finished product. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the black key fob and just show you an overall finish. All right, there it is. Now, the true test, I'm going to see if it actually works. Just try the white key first. Okay, unlock works. Lock works. Good. Now the other key. Unlock works. It works. There we have it. Good job. Job done. 2 new key fobs for the Toyota 4runner. Yeah.